Thomas Benson, Edward Binden, Thomas Morganson, Oliver Champal, Nolan Church, Ransom Cundy, Thomas Edwards, Russell Haskell, George J. Hall, Bruce Hudson, Alan Kelman, Gordon McMillan, Joseph Mays, John McCarthy, Ernest McSorley, Eugene O'Brien, Carl Heckel, John Pobiash, James Pratt, Robert Rafferty, Paul Ripa, John Simons, William Spangler, Mark Thomas, Ralph Walton, David Weiss, Blaine Wilhelm, and the thousands of others of sailors that have been lost on the Great Lakes over the last 200 years.